Welcome to the EasyPath Savings Calculator. EasyPath is the most cost-effective device for running cables through fire-rated barriers in a code-compliant manner, and we can prove it. We've developed a savings calculator that compares 3 approaches. EasyPath, a device that will never need to be twisted or filled with putty. A sleeve that needs to twist open and closed for cable changes to achieve acceptable leakage ratings. And a steel conduit that requires removing and reinstalling putty or sealant to make changes. Remember, in a hospital, changes to these devices usually need to occur inside a HEPA cart. The savings calculator takes into account the costs of installation, the cost of ongoing inspections, and of course, the cost of re-entry. Check it out. Use our numbers or enter your own and see for yourself how much you will save. The bottom line is, using our numbers, you could save $108,000 for every 100 EasyPath devices installed. In this scenario, here's the check a competing supplier would have to give you to break even for a 5-year life cycle. Try it yourself and see how you can save thousands with EasyPath.